The first thing I'm going to do on this bike is to adjust the rear suspension. So it's the FLHC. I guess I'm about £240, and if I have no passengers it's 2, and if I have a wife on the back she's about 120, so it goes to about 4.5, and that means I've got to screw in the little thing 4.5 thingies in, which you'll see in a second. Okay, I've got the seat off and I've just got to screw this thing in. So I hide a certain amount of these discs. We said 2, but I'm going to compromise because I'm probably a bit heavier with the jacket on, and sometimes the wife's on the back, so I'm going to screw in and hide, I don't know, 2.5 to 3. Let's see how it goes. So there's already 4 actually showing, so that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 are already in, so I'm going to go another half in because I think that will account for my big belly and half a wife, so let's go for that. Just screw that in, and I think that's a compromise. If the wife was on the back all the time I'd probably have to go in a few more, but I think that will be, I'm happy with that as a compromise, so we'll see how that rides, and that's the first job done.